What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Right now I'm about to go shoot 4 Bugattis, guys. Not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 Bugattis. And it's crazy because the house that I'm gonna be pulling up to right now to photo shoot these cars was Dan Bilzerian's old house. $65 million mansion, guys. It is crazy. I shot there once. I shot a Rolls Royce Cullinan with the full Mansory kit. It was insane. I got a tour of the house. $65 million house, 4 floors. It had like a basketball court, tennis court, movie theater room, like a bowling room. It was crazy, guys. Such a crazy house. And the homie Jacob called me right now and he's like, yo, like come through, like help me shoot these 4 Bugattis right here at Dan Bilzerian's old house. I'm like, you know what? I'm down. I got my vlog camera. I got my camera. Got in my car and I'm like, I'm on my way, bro. Big shout out to the homie Jacob for this one. I appreciate you, bro. You're probably watching the vlog right now. I'll pick up the camera and I'll show you guys the house, show you guys the cars. So let's go. All right, guys. So in order to get to the house, you gotta come through these streets over here. As you can see, you got some crazy ass mansions, guys. These are like, I don't know how many millions, but it's a lot of money. Anyways, yeah, guys. Anyway, Dan Bilzerian used to own this house. Imagine the parties that he would throw in this mansion. I gotta show you guys. This is insane. Look at that, guys. It's massive. Anyways, we gotta go through here. We gotta come up this little driveway here.
What are we doing, KG?
Bro.
What are we doing?
First of all, thank you. I appreciate you a lot, to you, Jacob, for telling me to pull up. This is insane, guys. 4 Bugattis. Jacob, how much money is sitting right here?
I mean,
on top of the house.
We'll let everyone do the math.
Bro.
That's a Super Sport, a Chiron, another Chiron, and a Per Sport. Oh, I'm sorry. No Edo, no Shot It.
This is my new crib. These are my 4 Bugattis. Show them the view, Jacob.
You got a coyote in the property?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
The rarest one, it's probably going to be the Super Sport.
Which is?
The last one. Yeah, because the last one, I believe there's 30 Super Sports made. I don't know the how many Per Sports have been made, but
Super Sport is the most expensive one?
yeah. I'd say out of these 4 at least.
What does the 94 mean on the black, on the blue?
It's the big boss's birth year.
1994? That's what I was All right, guys, check this out. Which Bugatti are you guys taking? Dude, this shit is sick. Look at the body style on this thing. All black with the silver around and the wheels. This one that says 94, this is pretty cool because I was born in 1994. It's just sick. And it's matte blue with carbon fiber. Look at that interior. Bugatti. Shit's crazy. Baby blue. This one got the Hermes spec on this thing. Look at that. Yeah, that's sick. And we got the homie Eddie behind in the video. Look at that interior though. Sheesh. Dude, this thing is massive. Look at this thing. And the view is just crazy. All right, guys, so we're gonna reposition the cars. Listen to that. Look at this. Look at the doors. Oh, they're massive. This is sick. So supposedly this is like the rarest one. Look at the exhaust, dude. That is insane. I don't know if we can get a tour of the house again, guys, but I would love to show you guys inside of this house. It is just insane. But the interior on these things, look at the hood vents. We should put those wheels on this car.
Or this interior in that
Yeah,
car.
that'd be sick. Imagine. Bro, this thing is crazy. these cars worth right now together. That's crazy. I feel like this Bugatti looks longer than those. I really like this one a lot.
Which one?
This one.
This one's badass.
Yeah, the wheels and the exhaust on this thing is crazy.
1,600 horsepower.
1,600.
300 on the dash,
That's crazy. My shit only says 200 on the dash. It's just super elegant, guys. Like, it's crazy. Look how the back looks on this one. They literally looks like freaking. I don't know. That's just crazy. I don't know, guys. I don't know what I'm doing wrong in life. $65 million house. I'm tripping out about like $1 million house, $2 million. Imagine $65 million. How does somebody afford a $65 million house, guys?
Bro. Just imagine the water bill here.
Yeah.
I think he said what, 40,000 sprinklers, or he said
Registered.
something. Yeah, sprinklers.
40,000 sprinklers.
Sprinklers.
Holy shit, bro.
Sprinklers.
Guys, one thing that I love too is that the owner is playing some Spanish music. He's bumping all the mariachi songs. I like that. I respect that. That's cool. But check this out, guys. Here's the garage. So you can park your car up on here. You see what I'm talking about? This shit is crazy. I wish I could give you guys a tour, but can't. But imagine, park the GTS, the Lime Rock over there. The taillights on these cars are just crazy. Look at that. Insane. And then you got that view over there. Check that out. Sheesh. Turning on the Bugatti. I bet. Let's do it. Oh my, dude, this interior is too beautiful. I don't even want to sit in it. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Casually sitting in a $6 million freaking Bugatti. I don't even know. Oh, right here. Check this out. Whew. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. We're gonna leave the key right there. Congrats, G. Alright guys, we're about to have some pizza. They got pizza over here. Can't say no. Alright guys, well, that wraps up for today's shoot. Thought I'd vlog it for you guys because it'd be pretty cool. I wasn't gonna vlog it actually. I was just gonna bring my camera and take pictures, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make a little vlog out of it. All right, guys, we're getting in the Bugatti.
Yeah, that one goes in first. Lift.
Full out
Do the lift.
steering wheel.
The lift.
Yeah, look at that, guys.
Get Eddie right now.
I don't know if you guys heard that. Check this out. Phantom, Rolls, Tesla, Porsche, Ferrari, Urus, Escalade Bulletproof, G-Wag 4x4, Maybach.
Richard.
We got the La Ferrari back there. Damn. Alright guys, we came to get some gas here. Let's see, do it? Yeah. Damn, it's like a light show. Look at that.
And then
That
when you
is
lock it,
sick. Wow. Crazy.
1,600 horsepower.
That is crazy. Rolling with the two Gattis. It's only me and her because the Bugatti coupe. If you guys know where that's from, comment down below. Bro, two Bugatti. That is something you do not see every day, guys. What are you guys taking, the GTS or the Bugattis? Dude, this blue one is sick. I fuck with the blue, honestly. That's literally the Batmobile right there, guys. Literally. Alright, guys, we have made it to the city of Beverly Hills. You already know we had to stop by Rodeo Drive with the Bugattis. Everybody's tripping out, guys. Literally, everybody's tripping out. Bugattis in Beverly Hills. That's just crazy. Everybody's tripping out, bro.